video, we will see how to fix error code 103, error too many semaphore requests. The semaphore cannot be set again on Windows 11 and Windows 10. If you are also facing such type of error code, system error code, then here are the fixes. And the first workaround is go to Windows search and type CMD and open command prompt Windows, run as administrator mode. Open command prompt Windows as administrator mode. And in command prompt Windows, execute the command sfc/scan now and press enter. It will scan your system for any corrupted or bad system files. Wait till 100% verification complete. And once completed, don't forget to restart your system. After restarting, check whether your error is resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes, right click on the start button and choose device manager. And in device manager, under available device driver, look for any faulty driver having yellow color exclamation mark. If you found any device driver against yellow color exclamation mark, right click on it and choose update driver. How do you want to search for drivers? Choose search automatically for drivers. Apply this process for all your faulty device driver having yellow color exclamation mark. After that, check whether your error is resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes, right click on start button and choose run. In run command box, execute the command rstrui and click on OK. This command will open restore system files and settings page. System restore can help fix problems that might be making your computer run slowly or stop responding. So choose next. Here on next page, choose a system restore point. Restore your computer to the state it was in before the selected event. Choose a restore point and finally click on next. And on the next page, confirm your restore point. It will take some time. Wait till verification process, restoration process complete. After that, choose finish. After that, restart your system and check whether your system error code resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes. Again, right click on the start button and choose settings. Here from the left side of settings page, go to system settings. Thereafter from the right side, go to recovery and here scroll down and you will find reset this PC. Click on reset PC. A new blue window will appear. Here choose keep my files and follow on-screen instruction to complete the resetting of your system process. Follow on-screen instruction to complete the process, and after that your problem should be definitely be resolved. That's all.